Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you an easy and affordable way to make this awesome vanity mirror that will really complete the look of your makeup or vanity room. You only need two things to do this project. A mirror. In my case, I found my 29 by 41 inches mirror with white frame from HomeSense for only 35 Canadian dollars. And the second thing that you need is a vanity mirror lights kit with dimmable bulbs. I got mine from Amazon and I will link the info down on the description bar below. I got it for only $31.99. What's good about this kit is that it is complete. You have everything that you need. It has a switch, it has 10 bulbs, and the bulb has a peel-on sticker at the back, so you can just stick the bulb onto your mirror and it's so easy to assemble. If you are my viewer from the Philippines, you can also find this vanity light kit from Lazada for 658 pesos, which is half the price compared to ours. It's such a steal. When I was browsing online, most vanity sets that I could find starts at $230 and up, and I did mine for only $67. So let me show you how. So first, I place my bulb where I want it to be on my mirror, and it helps to measure the distance between them to make sure the bulb is evenly spaced, and then put a mark where you want to place the bulb. Then I drill a hole on each marking. This is where I would put in the strings attached to the bulb to hide it. This is optional since the bulb strings are translucent, so you can just let it show like this. But I'm on the OC side today, so I decided to hide it. Then I cut the string in the middle to disconnect the two bulbs. Then I shoot the strings in the hole that I made. And besides making the hole mark, I also made a mark where the bulb will be placed before sticking it, as you can see here. So once I know where to stick it, I peel the sticker and place the bulb, applying a little pressure to secure it. Now I move on to the back part and twist the wires together to merge them. Just repeat these steps on all bulbs. And after that, I put a electrical tape, and then I just put tape all around it so that it's secure at the back. And you're done. Now you have a brand new vanity without breaking the bank. I hope you guys like this video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!